Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. The question which has come in the Mumbai University paper in 2014, question number 3b. What is given in the question? The IDSS and VP value, pinch off voltage, and the drain to source saturation current is given. They have told us to find gate voltage, drain to source current at Q point, gate source voltage at Q point, and voltage between drain and source at Q point. Now, in order to identify the type of JFET, I told you that suppose the channel is N and here you have P type doped material. So when you are forward biasing this P and N junction, the current will always flow from P to N. So this arrow indicates that it is N channel JFET. So this arrow indicates that it is N channel JFET. So in this becomes your gate, this becomes your drain, and this becomes your source. Now they have told us to find the voltage at the gate, that is voltage between this point and ground. So that means we need to find voltage across this resistance. So how we are going to find VG? VG will be R2 upon R1 plus R2 into VDD. Now if it would have been two supply voltages in this case, that means if you had -5 over here, +5 over here, then here you had R1, R2, and the question was to find VG. Then how you are going to find VG is R2 upon R1 plus R2 into 5 plus 5, that is the addition of both the voltages, the whole -5, if it would have been two supply voltages. Now since there is only one supply voltage VDD, we can find this as 60K upon 60K plus 140K multiplied by 20. So we'll get the value of VG as 6 volts. So whatever is asked in the question, we have found the first part, that is the gate voltage. Now our aim is to find ID, VGS and VDS. So whenever you get a question in this form, you know the Shockley's equation. Equation says that the ID equals to IDSS 1 minus VGS by VP the whole square. Now what is given in the question? When you look over here, IDSS is given in the question, VP is given in the question. That means you know IDSS, you know VP. So if you get VGS in terms of ID, the problem is solved. So when you look in the diagram, VGS is voltage between gate and source. So I can write VGS as VG minus VS. You know the value of VG, which you have already found out. So you can write it as 6 minus voltage at the source, that is voltage at this point with respect to ground. So when you apply KVL in this loop, you will write it as VS minus IDRS equals to 0. So what you can say, VS is ID into RS. So I can write it as ID into RS. Value of RS is given in the question. So instead of VGS, I can write 6 minus ID into RS.